Okay, I'm going to talk. This is a video to go with the wine glass, the tale of two wine glasses. Let me just show you quickly what I'm talking about. So here's a cylinder, and I'm just going to make it six-sided, and we're going to give it, I don't know, 5 height profile, something like that. So that's all, pretty much it. That's what I'm going to do. This is really quick and dirty. I'm going to make that editable, and I'm going to delete those polygons there. And then I'm going to apply a subdivision modifier to it. Let's see. Actually, I'm going to get rid of the bottom face as well. This is quick and dirty. I'm not trying to make a perfect wine glass. I'm just trying to show you some approaches. So what I'm just going to do is going to ring select mode. Where is it? Loop select mode. Sorry. Loop select mode. There's a loop. And there's another loop. I'm just going to shrink those, holding the shift key down so to make it kind of wine glass shaped. And I'm going to select the top edge there, and I'm going to shrink that down a bit. And that's pretty much shows one way of making a wine glass. I mean, I haven't done the detail, but that pretty much shows you a nice way of making a wine glass. We could actually very elegant looking wine glass. What can you say? Now the other approach is to use a spline. So I'll start with another new document, and we'll go to the front view. And this is particularly good if there's an exact wine glass that you want to make. You know exactly what you want to make. So we'll go to spline mode, create a spline, and imagine that I'm trying to trace a figure of a particular wine glass here. So here we go. That's about done. I'm just going to go into edge mode here. We can go into these things, and we can refine these things to an inch of their lives. So, for example, we can drag this down here. We can pull this out here, and we can shrink that. Move that closer to the y-axis. Then I can go and create a lathe tool and drop that in, and now I have another wine glass. So that is a lathed wine glass, and that is let me just copy and paste that. Okay, there's your lathed wine glass, there's your box modeled wine glass, and they're both quite easy to play with. I can select so I can go and select this loop here, and if I want to change the shape of the wine glass, I can control that. Over here, same thing. I can still grab that spline, and I can edit it. So I can go and take a thing. I can change the wine glass interactively. One approach isn't necessarily better. They have their pros and their cons, but there are different ways to skin a cat, or model one for that matter, and that's the end of the story.